Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the wireless fluid level monitor, the IC-D110. Suited for measuring almost any shape or size tank or cistern, the IC-D110 comes with everything needed to monitor your tank level remotely, so there's no wires or trenching required. The D110 tank level indicator can monitor non-explosive fluids such as water, septic and diesel. The unit employs radio frequency to send collected information to the display up to 300 meters away. And for tank level measurements, the tank sensor unit can be mounted either on the top surface of a tank or mounted inside the underground tank or cistern using the stainless steel mounting bracket that's sold separately. In the box there's an instruction manual, the display unit with a blue-black lit LCD. At a glance, the display unit shows signal strength, the tank number selected, time, temperature, and most importantly, the current tank level percentage. You can also view the system status as well as adjust tank depth, adjust update intervals between 1 and 30 minutes, and set high and low alarms. There are navigation buttons on the right. On the back is the area to plug in the antenna. The IC-D110-S unit has an RS232 plug located here for a quick interface with most computers. I have linked this unit into the video description. On the base is the battery compartment. This takes 4 AA batteries. And on the side is the power port. Next is the tank sender unit. This has a heat shield on the top with a battery compartment below taking 4 AA batteries. There's an antenna socket and the adjustable sensor on the bottom. Next there's a power adapter for the console, antennas for the console and tank sender unit, and the mounting hardware. And that's what comes in the box with the IC-D110 wireless fluid level monitor. For more information on this unit, including how you can contact an Instrument Choice scientist for more information, as well as further videos and articles, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.